Hello everybody to your second Java tutorial. You have probably already seen my basic coding tutorials. If not, I recommend you go see them, and then my first tutorial. If you've already seen at least my first tutorial for Java, then welcome back. If not, just go watch it real quick. Okay. So, here's Java, and I went and erased all my old projects, and now all I have is YouTube. You can name it whatever you want, but I named it YouTube. Go make a new class, just name it whatever you want, and go make a new class named whatever you want. I'm going to name it Waffles. If you wanted to make it easy on yourself, just go and name it Waffles too. Today we're going to go through something extremely important in any coding language. Variables. We can go through probably the most used or one of the most used variables in Java, and that variable would be double. Double means a number, but it means a number with a decimal point afterwards. So if I made a double, say 25, and I made it print up in the screen, it would say 25.0. Now if you don't want that, you can just put an integer, and that would not have a decimal point, but you could not do numbers with decimal points. Or else, I'll get into that either later on in this tutorial or next tutorial. So let's declare that we're making a double by putting double, and then we want to name the variable. I'm going to name it my num1, and then put a semicolon. Now we have to tell Java what your number is equal to. So we can do my num1 is equal to, let's say 12, because that's my favorite number. So if we went over and ran this like that, press OK, nothing would show up. Do you know why this is? Yeah, do you know why this is? Because I know why this is. This is because we didn't tell Java to output anything. So we have to tell Java to system.out.println. Now remember, do not put these in quotes, or it'll just print my num1. So put my num, no caps, my num1, and then you have to add everything with semicolon. So if we ran this, press OK, go down here, 12.0. Of course, if you put int, and we ran it, just put 12. But we're going to be working with doubles just because it's better, in my opinion. And okay, but what if you wanted to add another variable? Well, we could go down here and type in double, but if you have like 50 integers, that would be a pain in the neck, pain in the you-know-where. So Java came up with this little trick. Instead of having to declaring each double on a different line, blah blah blah, you could just put in a colon, or comma I should say, and then put the name of your next variable, which I'll put num2. And then just go down here and do my num1, and then my num2 is equal to, let's say, 13, because I'm going to be 13 soon. So we went down here, and then we put my num1 plus my num2. It should print 25.0, and it does. Now if we put 12.3 and 13.6 should be 25.9. And there you have it, 25.9. What did I just do? Oh. Make sure you don't move stuff around, because it can get confusing. Move that back here. Move this back here. Okay, whatever, I'll fix this in a minute. But, anyway. Basically what I'm trying to show you is you can use variables for almost anything. Words and different things. Now, you can also do minus as a math function, because you can do math functions. And but it would give you a negative integer. As you can see down here, negative 1.29 with a bar notation. You could put times by using an asterisk. That's one of the ones you have to watch out for. It's not the X, it's the asterisk. It's 167.28. And for division, you just use this, and you put this, okay? And it should be 0.09 blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's your basic tutorial. I'll go into other things, possibly in later, more advanced tutorials, like what would happen if you put I do want to go over one more thing. Let's get rid of this second num. So if we put plus plus like that, I mean, no, don't. I'll actually get into that in the next tutorial because I'm kind of running out of time. So just pretend you didn't see that, okay? So okay. Goodbye, and subscribe to my channel. Please make me happy. Have a nice day, and goodbye. Yep. Subscribe, goodbye, have a nice day.